So Mr. BG here. I'm going to show you how to create MLA works cited using EasyBib. As you can see, I've got the split screen here. On the left is my article, on the right is EasyBib. So I'm going to copy the link up here and paste it into EasyBib. It tells me what it's found. I hit continue. And any field in red are the fields that it could not figure out. Now in this case, the title of the website they've got here, Ernest Hemingway Biographical. They don't know who the publisher or sponsor of the site is, but I do. You can see it's nobelprize.org. So what you're going to want to do is type that in. So I've typed that in there. The next thing, it's asking me to try to figure out when this was electronically published. So what you are going to want to do is scroll down the article to see if there's a publication date at the bottom. I do not see any publication date. I see a copyright date of 1945, but that's not when this article was written. So seeing no date, I'm just going to move on and have it create my citation. And here it is, right here. And so now I'm going to copy this, and what I'm going to do is paste it into a Google Doc. Now eventually I'm going to throw this onto my presentation slide, but for right now it's easier for me to just paste these into a Google Doc. Okay, here's one more example. We're going to take a look at this article on the lifestyle of a fisherman. Again, I'm going to copy the link, I'm going to paste it into EasyBib. It again tells me what it's found. I hit continue. And now it's asking for the author. It says it could not figure out the author. Now there is an author right here. It's Simon Rios. So I'm going to type his name in here in the blank. Next, it's asking for a publisher or sponsor of this website. The publisher of this website is 90.9 WBUR, a radio station. So I'm going to write that in. Now once again it's asking me when this was electronically published. I can't seem to find a publication date, so I'm just going to go ahead and hit create citation. Okay, and as you can see, here is my citation. I'm going to copy this and paste it right into my Google Doc. Alright, finally I'm going to show you how to cite an image using EasyBib. So I've got my link highlighted up here. I'm going to paste it into EasyBib. Hit cite. Oops, they could not figure it out. So what it has done is taken me to a form where I can enter this information myself. Now what I need to do is figure out the source type. And so this particular object here of this marlin, it's a digital image. So when you click on the type, and most of the pictures that you find are going to be digital images, then EasyBib will automatically create a form for you to create. So it asked me for a title. There is no title here, so barring that, I'm going to give it my own description, marlin coming out of the water. I do not know the author or the photographer of this particular image. However, the website title I can tell from up here is nationalgeographic.com, so I'm going to write that there. And so what I actually did is I just wrote National Geographic, and the publisher of this site, I scrolled down to the bottom, and it was the National Geographic Society, so I wrote that down there for publisher. I put in the link. I don't know when this was published, but I can type the day that I went to the site, which is today. And now I've added all my information, and I'm going to hit create citation. And here it is. I'm going to copy and paste it and throw it right into my Google Doc. And that was how to cite an image using MLA format with EasyBib.